How to fix alert TPM device is not detected error on Dell. So if you want to fix alert TPM device is not detected error, then what you need to do is first, you need to enable TPM in BIOS. For that, you need to restart your PC and press the BIOS key, for example, F2 or delete key during your boot. Then navigate to the security section and enable the TPM option. Tap on Save Changes and restart your PC. Now you need to update your TPM drivers. For that, what you need to do is right-click on your Windows, and then you need to go with Device Manager. After that, locate Security Devices and expand it. Find Trusted Platform Module 2.0 and right-click on it. And choose Search Automatically for Drivers. So go with Update Driver at first, and then go with Search Automatically for Drivers. If prompted, you can easily go to Windows Update or Advanced Options. Then Optional Updates and install any available TPM driver updates. By doing so, you have successfully fixed the TPM device is not connected error. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.